It's about 10:31 in the morning on a Saturday, and I'm going to do a little trip. Well, I'm already there to check out a waterfall. I left Bentley over there parked, and I'm going to go check out this waterfall, Mae Ya Waterfall, and see what the hype is about. This is the trail. They have some little food stalls and things up there where I parked the bike. And it says about 600 meters is the waterfall. Over here looks like a little dam. So I'm going to walk up here and check it out. So I take these little trips because I have no problems traveling on my own. You know, the feeling I get when I'm riding my bike on these little back roads in Thailand, it kind of reminds me of my army days when I was, in some foreign country, and in some, we were, whether it be training or real world, and we were walking in the jungle, give this real serene feeling, and I kind of enjoy it. It kind of gives me what I was missing after leaving the army. It's really a peaceful kind of walk. The river is, or stream, is down there, and there's not much around me. Few people up in front of me, but this is probably the first of a couple of videos for this location of the waterfall. So hopefully what I'll do is towards the end of this video we'll give you a shot of the waterfall. So I'm coming up on the waterfall, getting closer. Here's the sign, Mae Ya Waterfall, so you'll know where I'm at.